Hello. Today I'd like to introduce you to a revolutionary parts receiving and reconciliation solution for General Motors dealerships. Because right now, the way GM dealerships handle incoming parts just isn't working. Dealers get hundreds of parts every day, and the process of receiving, sorting, and verifying takes an enormous amount of time and money. That's why we've created ScanApp, the fastest, most accurate, and efficient way to verify and reconcile your GM parts shipments using any DMS. ScanApp makes handling hundreds of parts a day easier and over 75% faster, taking a daily 7-hour from parts clerk to parts manager task down to just 1.5 hours, saving you over 40 hours per month in productivity. ScanApp's proprietary software reconciles data from any DMS, General Motors, and the time of receipt to ensure the quickest and most accurate parts receiving and reconciliation for your dealership. Here's how it works, from receiving, check-in, reconciliation, and verification.
Simply scan the part shipment barcodes using the ScanApp's Power Scanner device. ScanApp understands all aspects of receiving from Canadian or US PDCs and regardless of what type of order, including DMS, RIM, and LPO shipments. If you receive multiples of a part, simply adjust the quantity in the app and scan the barcode only once. Choose from common preset quantities or enter the exact count manually. You can also go back and change quantities anytime. ScanApp is designed to receive any type of shipment, from received as ordered, short ship, overship, received without order, and received without order or shipped. And it does not matter how the parts are shipped, including discrete parts and split orders. As you scan the parts, our proprietary inventory management software cross-references the parts scanned against your DMS dealer purchase order report and the GM part shipping report, reconciling data from all three sources into one Power report. The parts clerk can then select Review Scans to easily see short ships, overships, and other anomalies formatted in a clear, easy-to-read table. They can then batch select all items in the scanned parts list and verify them with just one click. Job done! Now it's time for the parts manager to review the parts clerk report. This is as simple as choosing Received Report, which exports the data into an Excel spreadsheet. We call this the Power Report, and it can be sorted, filtered, and analyzed as needed.
ScanApp integrates directly with any dealer management system and GM factory platform for total accuracy. ScanApp is the only third-party parts receiving and reconciliation solution available today. ScanApp supports both US and Canadian barcodes, integrates with any DMS. With ScanApp, the entire parts receiving process is faster, more accurate, and saves time and money. ScanApp can be operated by any junior level employee, freeing up valuable staff time and lowering your payroll cost. Get scanned parts immediately into service or out to customers, boosting your efficiency and bottom line as well as customer satisfaction. ScanApp saves over 100 hours a month for a typical dealership. ScanApp pays for itself over and over. Start saving time and money today with ScanApp.